In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile photo in Zoho Mail. Having a profile photo can make your email experience feel more personalized and can help recipients recognize your messages more quickly. Let's dive into the steps to set this up effortlessly. First, you'll want to open up your Zoho Mail account. Make sure you're logged in and looking at your inbox. This is where we'll begin. Once you're in your inbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon, which might currently be a generic avatar. Click on this icon to access the profile options. After clicking on the profile icon, you should see a drop-down menu or a profile overview. Look for an option that says Change or something similar. This is the feature we'll use to update your profile picture. Click on Change, and this will redirect you to the Profile Management section of Zoho. Once the profile section has loaded, you should see your current profile icon displayed prominently. Click on the icon again, which will prompt your device to open a file selector window. This is where you can choose the photo you'd like to set as your profile picture. Navigate through your files or photo library to select the image you want to use. When selecting your photo, make sure it's a clear and professional image, as this will be seen by the people you communicate with through Zoho Mail. Once you've found the perfect picture, select it and confirm your selection. Your new profile photo should now be uploaded and visible within your Zoho Mail account. And there you have it. You've successfully added a profile photo to your Zoho Mail account. This small change can enhance your email interactions by adding a personal touch to your communications. Remember, you can always update this photo by following these same steps if you wish to change it in the future. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Adding a profile photo is a simple yet effective way to personalize your email presence. If you have any questions or if something wasn't clear, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.